Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in St. Thomas and we're looking at the construction of the Morant Bay Urban Center. Now straight ahead that's the Southern Coastal Highway, and this is the road that has made everything possible over here at the Urban Center. Now the Urban Center is a massive development, billions of dollars to build this facility. But we're going to show you what location or what store is going to be the most popular store, and that's it. Of all the stores over here, that one will be the most popular. Anybody want to guess what business is going to occupy this building? KFC. KFC is the number one fast food chain in Jamaica. And this will be their first location in St. Thomas. Their first. So can you imagine how busy this location is going to be? So this, without a doubt, will be not only the most popular store at the urban center, but it probably might be the most popular store in St. Thomas. So we will keep you guys updated on the build out of the entire urban center, but this store in particular. And the fact that no KFC was in St. Thomas speaks volumes about the area. There was no Burger King, no KFC, no Hilo supermarket. I'm not sure if they had a juicy beef or juicy patties, but all these stores are now coming to St. Thomas because of the road, the Southern Coastal Highway, and this structure or this development, the Morant Bay Urban Center, and it's fully booked out. They're actually looking to the phase 2 very soon. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.